What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we're going to do today, we are going to go over Friday's game plan. So you already know it's the last day of the trading week. We about to get it. We ain't giving no money back. This was a very exciting week to the downside. The bear showed out this week. I often say you got to know how to play on both sides of the ball. You got to be able to play the bullish plays when you see those, and you got to be able to pivot and play that bearish play to the downside. And then it's okay to be a bull. It's okay to not want to play the bearish plays, but stay on the sideline if that's the case. Don't FOMO when it's clearly a downtrend and just want to buy a call because it went down $5, $6 and you just want to see a bullish outlook when it's no bullish outlook nowhere to be found. So that is a straight definition of FOMOing, and we are not with FOMOing. Again, learning how to play both sides will make you a better, sharper trader, and it will definitely add more money into your portfolio. So guys, let's go ahead and get into it. We got data tomorrow. Tomorrow should be an interesting day. You got personal income and spending at 8:30. Then you got PCE at 8:30. That's going to be the one that everybody pay attention to. So you already know what we do when data drops. Man, we sit back, we wait for a clear direction. We wait to see what the market is telling us, and then we get down, we get on them. So guys, let's go ahead and jump right into our first ticker. But before we do that, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. Let's go ahead and get at it. First ticker up, newbies, beginners. We're going to go ahead and throw Palantir on there because I know a lot of you are dying for Palantir to come back to life because they have been getting smacked left and right. So if you are a bull, they're sitting at 84.80. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than 85.50. They can do that. Next level up, boom, you got 86.90 on deck. They can start making a push. If they can get past this little piece over here at 87.50, they can run this thing back up to boom, 88.50. I'm going to run into some turbulence in there. If they can get through that, they're going to get in this little middle area at 89.60, and then boom, you got 90.20 on deck. We'll handle in real time once they start smacking through those areas. But to the downside, if you are a bear, what you want to see them open lower than 84.20. If they can do that right there, they're going to start pulling this thing down even farther. I got a couple levels down here. What you want to look for, that 81.45 area. They start taking that one out. You got another one down here at 80.30, and they can really start going low, losing that area right there. So be patient, wait for a setup, and then get after it. Next ticker up is going to be Hood. I think this one gets some nice returns, inputs or calls, whichever one you plan. They're sitting at 49.30. But guys, they're sitting at 49.25 right now. If you are a bull, what you want to see them open somewhere higher than 49.70. If they can do that, next level up, boom, you got 50.30 on deck. Next level up, boom, you got 50.90. They break through that. You got this stuff in here at 51.65, and then some turbulence at around 51.82 before they try to boom this thing all the way back up to 52.90. On the downside, what you want to see them open lower than this stuff right here, those middles at 48.90. If they can do that, next level down is going to be 48.40. They break through 48.40. You got some turbulence at 48.10, and then boom, they coming down to 47.30. We'll handle in real time once they start smacking through those areas. Big baller shot callers, where y'all at? Let's go ahead and throw the SPY on the table. Let's go ahead and get it. All right, and SPY, you see they took a little butt kicking as well, but on the downside, what you want to see, they're sitting at 585.70. You want to see them open lower than this level right here at 584.50. If they can start closing up under that right there, look at this drop. Boom, you got 580.60 on deck. So to the upside, what you want to see them open higher than 587. They can do that. Next level up, you got 588. Next level after that, boom, you got 589.90. Next level after that, they're going to try to push this thing back to the 590s, 591.80 to be exact, before they start trying to get to the higher stuff. So there you go in that ticker right there. Next ticker up, we got Tesla. We had fun with Tesla today. Guys, we walked this one down. We spent a little bit more time with Tesla than we do with other plays because Tesla was the one that was giving us the moves. They was faking people out going up to the upside and they were coming right back down. I think I had it in the Discord. If they can't hold 290.50, then it's coming back down. They have got to hold that level right there and they coming back down. I got a couple green lines on the chart. Some of you pros already know what those green lines are from just looking at the chart. But if for you guys that don't know what they are, I'll be dropping it out in my video tomorrow. Those green lines are super important in trading because that is a money-making play that you can make money on it. But again, I'll go over that in the video tomorrow. And once you start setting your chart up like that and outlining those areas right there, you just sitting back waiting patient. As soon as they come to those areas, you making money. It's just that simple. But Tesla is sitting at 282.35. If you are a bull, you want to see them get back over this area at 285.90. Let's just say 286. They can do that right there. You got some turbulence at 286.90, and then they can run this thing up. You got 288.30, and then boom, we back at 290.45. You got some area of interest right here at 291.60. They break through that. You got 293.40, and then boom, 295.80 on deck. To the downside, guys. You know, in the Discord, I had a play out here. We smacked every one of those levels coming down. I told you guys that last level down there, I knew that was going to be the fight of the century. And as you see, they ran that thing down. They tried to shoot, they shot. I had a level down here at 280.95. I said, man, bulls will have to defend that level right there because if they don't, it's lights out. Bears is going to run that thing down to 275. So you see, they ran it back up. I knew that was a fake pump. I actually was texting with somebody, kept telling them, hey, watch this. Watch what Tesla ready to do. Man, it's pumping. It's pumping. I said, that's a fake pump. Don't pay attention to that. And sure enough, you see what we did? They tried to shoot their shot and then they went back up. They lose that level right there. It's over. I get a 280.90. They're going to come down much harder. So, all right, guys, that's Tesla. I'm going to throw one more on the chart for you guys. I'm going to throw Nvidia because I know a lot of people chase this play and bought calls thinking that they was going to boom it in earnings. Another reason why you don't gamble earnings. And if you are, it's minimum contracts. It's not 10, 15, 20. It's 1 or 2 after you done caught that ride up from pre-earnings. And that's the plays that I put out all week. And if you go back and look at every one of them, they all was bangers, knocked out of the ballpark. But those are pre-run-ups. We are capitalizing on the pre-run-up. And then we getting out of those plays. We ain't taking that risk of it going left. And you see Nvidia, they straight tank today. So if you are a bull, they're sitting at 121.45. If you are a bull, what you want to see them open higher than 122.55. If they can do that, they next level up is going to be 123.20. They break through that, boom, you got this level at 124.70. If they break through right here, you got a level at 125.50. They break that level right there and hold it. They can start booming this thing back up. You got 127.30 and then boom, you got 128.45 on deck. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than 120.70. If they can do that right there, they smacking this thing all the way back down to where they close at 120.05. We'll handle in real time after that because the Bears can really start getting busy once they start breaking down those areas right there. So that's all I got in tickers right there. You know what time it is. It's that part of the video where we like to show some love. I want to throw this one out here. Tiff S. Hey, D Fresh. I just want to say that I lost over $3,000 in the options game since January. I was just beginning my journey. I had to figure out a few things for myself, but the last piece of it One of my boys told me about you literally just a couple days ago, and I decided to check out your posts and videos. I appreciate your passion and accuracy. Also, as a new golfer, I appreciate your love for Tiger Woods. Shout out for that. I'm the same way about Serena Williams, Missy Elliott, and Janet Jackson. Man, because of you, I've already recouped over half of what I was losing in the beginning. Champagne bottles in the air for that. And looking to get the rest back shortly. Thank you. And one more thing. Boom, man, this is inspirational. Hey, shout out to your buddy for putting me out on to you. I appreciate. Let him know I appreciate the love. Everybody else that's watching, let your friends know. Let your family know. Anybody that's interested in options trading or in this stock market game, man, definitely put your boy on. But again, guys, I appreciate the love and support you guys show me. But Tiff, champagne bottles in the air for you for recouping half of that. Man, let's get the rest of that money back. So again, I'm super duper proud of you. Keep grinding. So guys, we had a little training session in the Discord, if you will. I appreciate people that's calling out the double tops, the tweezer tops. That shows me that you guys are studying. Dow Styles called it out today. Was like, hey, you know, in the 5 minute, check that out. Those are tweezer tops. Tweezer tops, double tops, one thing in common. It's a bearish trend and it's coming down. So I say short term. If you see any of my posts when I say tweezer tops or double tops, that means that it's going to be bearish and it's coming down short term because I'm trading in the 5 minute time frame. If I was trading in the 15 minute, the 30 minute, the hour, the 4 hour, then I'll say, hey, you know, you got some time on it. It's long term. These are quick moves, and that's why I don't care if somebody say it's a double top or a tweezer top or whatever you want to call it, because if you're in the 5 minutes, you ain't trying to stay in that play forever. You trying to get that down, pop, get your percentage, get you a nice 25, 30% and get out of that play. If you got 10 contracts in there, you trimming them things down to 2 and letting the rest do the work on the way down. Unless you got somewhere in your plan where you know that that particular ticker is going to come to, then hey, do you at the end of the day just get paid? Don't let a green trade turn red. That's the only thing that I preach. Man, it's okay to be wrong. It's not okay to stay wrong. So again, guys, we had fun today. Today was awesome. We killed it. Shout out to everybody that was able to catch that Palantir play today. That was a dagger. The Tesla just went bananas. That went super crazy. I had Tesla puts 292.70. You seen what they did after that. They ran that thing all the way down to 280. I think the bonus play was sound. The puts play paid. So again, shout out to you guys that was able to catch these plays and dominate and make money. I am super proud of you guys. For everybody else that's watching that's not in the Discord, get in the Discord. That way you got access to my full list of morning call outs, as well as the technical analysis breakdowns on the top plays throughout the session. But guys, I done took enough of your time, but hey, if you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, Hood, Nike, go ahead and tap into the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it.